So the MoFi turntables are finally about to be released to the public to actually buy. Almost. Not quite. We're not giving a date yet. So let's see what we got here.
So this is the Ultra Deck. This will retail for $1,800, and we're building this in our new factory in Ann Arbor, Michigan. These were designed with the help of Allen Perkins from Spiral Groove.
Right.
So Allen gave us all the good ideas for the 10-inch tone arm, gimbal bearing tone arm.
Right.
This little accessory here.
You need a capacitor in there.
Yeah, it's we're working on it. That's one of those other things.
Yeah.
This little accessory is developed with Mike Latvis. Yeah. So we'll have two versions of these: a super lightweight and a super heavyweight. Since we showed rough prototypes of this at CES last year, we have increased the thickness of the Delrin platter on the Ultra Deck.
And so you got more mass on the bottom there.
Yep, so more of that flywheel.
Yep.
We've also improved the bearing. So we've hardened the bearing. So due to Allen's input, we're using a inverted bearing, of course.
Oh, okay. Oh, look at there. That's interesting.
So we're still refining this design, especially the sleeve, so everything rotates smoothly.
Right.
Put a little grease on there.
What does that platter weigh, do you know?
John, do you know the weight of the platter? I'll have to ask.
It's all right. And what is this table going to sell for?
So this will be $1,800 US.
Oh, that's good.
Made in America. And for an additional $200, so for $2,000, we'll include our $500 MoFi cartridge that Allen also helped us develop.
Oh, wow.
So that'll be a moving magnet cartridge which has a billet aluminum body.
Wow.
Constrained layer damping. We have an aluminum top plate.
Wow, yeah, that's pretty. Wow.
Mike also helped us develop the feet on both of the turntables, so he has custom feet. You can see there's a little bit of springiness here.
Yep. Wow.
So lots of broadband noise reduction due to the feet.
I won't show that. Yes, I will show that.
Yeah.
We show everything. Wow, this is cough myself to death. Pretty impressive.
Yeah, and so
a lot of detail.
This little detail right here is kind of what started the whole project. So as you guys know, we're Mobile Fidelity Sound Lab.
Yes.
And the button on our Studer tape machine
Yes.
is this square orange button.
Yep.
And so we're, of course, trying to tie everything back to what we're doing in Sebastopol.
You don't think it's too close to the stylus?
That's something that we've all had internal debates about.
I'd be careful with that. It's very close.
We haven't sheared a stylus yet.
You haven't.
We haven't. Yeah.
That's close. I don't know.
So the arm does have adjustable VTA.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah. So a little set screw here, just loosen that. Real easy to set the VTA.
And $1,800. And this is the top one.
This is right now the top one. Yeah.
And it's the deluxe.
This is the Ultra.
Ultra.
In Mobile Fidelity, everything's Ultra.
That's right. I forgot. That's right.
And it includes a dust cover.
Dust cover. Okay.
We have the Studio Deck. So this is our starting off point. This is going to be called the Studio Deck. 10-inch tone arm. So same design as the Ultra Deck. The Ultra Deck uses Cardus wiring internally. This is just a standard copper wiring.
Right.
It's also a more well-damped arm tube on the Ultra Deck and higher quality AVEC 5 bearings on the Ultra Deck's tone arm bearings. Aluminum, where you had aluminum across the top, we have a MDF body, which Allen taught me, body, not plen thread.
Right.
But we're still using the HRS feet.
Okay.
Hurst motors, inverted bearing, slightly thinner Delrin platter. And this will retail for $999.
Wow. Very aggressive price points in the market. It's good.
This is a cute little accessory. This isn't Mobile Fidelity, but MoFi distribution. We import this from Norway. Right. That's called Little Fwend.
It's a lifter?
Little automatic tone arm lifter.
Yeah.
No?
Okay. And then, is that it?
Well, then the phono stages. So I don't think I'm not sure if you've seen these. You may have in Munich, but this is the next iteration. So that is the Ultra Phono, and that's based off of the work that Tim did for us at Mobile Fidelity Sound Lab. So we're trying to follow
Tim
that
who?
same DeParavicini.
Okay.
We're trying to follow that same design philosophy.
Oh, okay.
We have a true mono mode. As you saw, we have all the new Dylan mono releases.
Yes.
We have the Airplane Surrealistic Pillow mono. So
The
we've
mono
got-
Dylans are insane. I have the original Columbias, I have the Sundays, I have the Sony box,
Yeah.
and I got these and said, okay, what are they going to show me? And I put on John Wesley Harding, it was, get out of here.
Yeah.
It's unbelievably fantastic.
Yeah, yeah. Sadly, they're limited to 3,000 copies. So it's, yeah, so those are going to go quickly.
Even Bob would hear the difference if he put a record on. He'd hear it. I know he would. I'm sure.
So yeah, the mono mode was important, I
Right.
think, for the future of Mobile Fidelity's releases. This will retail for $499, and it includes a little Class A headphone amplifier built in as well.
Wow, and this is, it's a moving magnet?
Moving magnet, moving coil.
Both. Oh.
Yep, adjustable loading on the bottom. There's the toggles for the loading.
Okay. $499?
$499. Made in America.
Wow. Yeah, he first showed this, I think, 2 years ago at CES.
I think that's right. Now, and we have the Koetsu Onyx stone body on there.
So what is this? You guys are distributing Spiral Groove now.
Yeah, Alan's he's a one-man band. He designs and builds these things himself.
Yep.
He needed somebody to help him
He did.
with sales and marketing, and it just made sense for MoFi to help him out.
I agree. And this is $20,000?
It's going to be $18,000 for the
18.
Revolution,
All right.
and then the Centroid is $6,000.
So you can get it without an arm, put your own arm on it, get an arm
Yeah,
board.
you can get a blank arm board, and you can drill the arm board. Yeah.
All right. This is beautiful, as always.
I think Sean's about to play the